guys.
That is sick, Granny. That is sick.
Bye.
Son of a...
You tore my fucking door handle off again. Get the fuck out.
Oh, what the Oh,
There you go again. I'll be so fucking proud when I'm out of here. And you won't be turning my fucking doorknob off again. Motherfucker. I'm leaving in a week. Asshole.
I don't know, close it.
What's the little thing? Something stingy there. Lock my door. Lock my fucking door.
Shit!
Asshole, I didn't say turn the damn thing up. I said lock the mother...
Son of a bitch.
Motherfucker. God damn it.
Shh, shh.
Shh. You tore my fucking... Oh, fuck, that's too late now, ain't it? You got that little flashlight, you gotta shine. Go!
Son of a...
Tore it up the fucking... Get out. Dirt. Get out.
Peace and quiet. This is a...
Get the fuck. Be a motherfucker. Open my fucking door, asshole. Get out. I'm going to bed. Do you understand?
Well, Granny, I'm trying to sleep in. Oh, son of a...
You already broke the fucking door. God damn you lied to me again.
Damn it!
I hope you get the fucker open. What the fuck?
Hold on, Gran. It's just me.
What was that?
Your door handle.
You broke it again. You break my damn door handle every time I get the damn thing fixed. And you come popping in here and break it.
Hey, well,
What?
I had to talk to you.
Oh, it don't matter.
Granny, what the hell? Where's your door handle?
You broke the motherfucker. You should know where it's at.
Hey, Brad.
What?
Oh, it's your
So it's
armpits.
your breath.
Your
Oh,
armpit
it's
smells
back
like
in your
freaking onion. What the? Damn it! Ow!
You just about hit my toe. Oh, little girl, crab this right up your asshole. Son of a bitch. Will you get the fuck out of here? God damn, every time you open my fucking door, you knock that fucking handle off. Shit. Damn you tore my fucking... Get out. Get the fuck... Get out. Get the fuck out of my room. Get out. Get out.
You ain't eating that shit. You ain't eating that shit.
Get out of my room. Don't come back.
Don't eat all that trash.
Enough.
Alright, let's...
You tore the motherfucker off the other day, and it ain't been fucking fixed, and it's hard for me to get out of my fucking room, you stupid ass.
Open it!
What the fuck do you think I'm trying to do? See that? Stupid. You wanna wake your daddy up? I hope he gets up and he beats your ass. Motherfucker. If it falls one more time, I'm gonna crack you right in the fucking head with it. You better hope to God it don't. Get out. Shit. Get. Fuck you, Jake. Fuck you. I told you the truth. You broke my fucking door handle again, you motherfucker. You asshole. Fuck you. Jack gets killed. Fuck you, and roast me too. You tore my fucking door handle off. I should crack you right between the motherfucking eyes with it. I'll leave if I get my fucking door open. Asshole. You tore my fucking doorknob off, that's right. Asshole. You don't know how to do a damn thing. Get out! Don't you come back! Don't you come back! Tore my fucking door up again!
How the hell did you get out of here, Granny?
Oh, I gotta change that. I ain't gonna hit you with my back scratcher, I might break it. Go.
Does anybody know when people use a dress like this?
You tore my fucking door handle off again. You motherfucker.
It's a prank. It's a
I'll
prank.
crack your head. Get
Oh,
the
sorry.
fuck out. You just... Motherfucker, I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna beat your ass with it.
If you go back to some of our old videos, every time I would open her door, her damn doorknob would come off and she'd get super pissed. And I guess I ended up bringing it with us or something. Hey, Gran. Oh, shit.
What the fuck is that?
That's your doorknob.
Ain't my fucking doorknob.
Yeah, it is. Remember? From the old house.
Where in the hell did you get that motherfucker at?
I brought it with us when we moved.
You brought my fucking old doorknob with you when we moved. You stupid. What do you think? What the fuck do you think we're gonna do with the fucking damn doorknob that won't fit none of these motherfucking doors? And I don't know what in the hell you brought it for.
It was a Christmas present.
It was a Christmas
I thought I would
present.
give you an early Christmas present.
You know what? Christmas present my ass. That's exactly what.
Where are you going?
I'll show you where I... What the hell did you throw in here?
That doorknob?
That fucking doorknob I just threw away.
You're keeping it. It's a gift.
Open that door and I'll crack your fucking head.
It took me a long time to find that doorknob, Granny. Come on.
It is 2 o'clock in the fucking morning. I think it's time you got your fucking ass in the bed. That's where I'm wanting to go. Keep your fucking ass out of my room, and that's it. Or you'll suffer the consequences. I'm telling you.
What the
I
hell
will
is a
knock the-
consequence?